Okay, good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Let us
Good
start.
afternoon, sir.
Okay, very good afternoon. Let us start.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, very good afternoon. We start last lecture. Okay, at the end we have solved this question. Okay, Priti. So we just see the expansion of function. We see the next unit, that is the expansion of function. Unit number unit number second. Okay. We see the unit number third, that is the expansion of function. Actually, this unit is second unit. This unit is second unit. We have already covered the 2 unit in section first. First unit is that successive differentiation matrices, and the third unit is expansion of function. Okay, so anyone can you tell me the meaning of this expansion of function? Means what to take expansion of function? Yes, काय करतो आपण expansion of function मध्ये? Yes.
Taking factorial.
Taken factorial. Okay, Krishna says that taken factorial. Anyone? Anyone? And that we are divided into two terms. This expansion of function is divided into two terms. Means two unit divided into two terms. One is that expansion of function, and second is indeterminate form. Okay, indeterminate form. In that, basically we are used that L'Hospital rule. Okay, so anyone? Yes, can you tell me what is the expansion of function? Yes. Expand the function. Expand the function. Means suppose we expand this function f of x plus 4. So expand this function f of x plus 4. We expand this function f of x plus 4. We expand this function f of x plus 4.
It's infinite sum of
infinite
sum of the derivatives.
x plus 4. We expand this function f of x plus बाहेर पडला. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like this is the expansion of function.
No, sir.
No, then what is the expansion of function?
Distribution of the function.
Distribution of the function. Yes, Avishkar said the distribution of function. What type of distribution of the word function?
Distribution of function in degree of its variables.
Very good, very good. Degree of distribution of function in degree of variable. Atharva, can you tell me one example that you know?
No, sir, particularly no.
Any example, any example. If you know, then okay. If you know, then tell me. If you not know, then okay. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So we'll start, no problem. So expansion of function is nothing but we are given one function and we write on that function in terms of simple form. So sin x. Sin x. So what is the expansion of that sine function? What is the expansion of that sine function? Sin x. Means we are, as Atharva says that, and that is the proper word, we are write down this function in terms of some partition in terms of degree. So sin x. So this is the expansion of that function is nothing but x minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 by 7 factorial continue in this way. This is nothing but expansion of this sin x function. This is nothing but expansion of this sin x function. In before you have seen this expansion. हे आधी पाहिले का तुम्ही कुठे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is called as expansion of function. We use some standard function, trigonometric function, exponential function, algebraic function. Okay, so logarithmic function, what is the expansion of the standard function? And then we solve that example on this. Okay, so this is the expansion of that function. Total 19 mark. किती मार्काला क्वेश्चन आहे हा? 19 मार्कासाठी. Okay, so we go to the next slide, that is the syllabus of that term. So syllabus, in that we will see that mainly divided into two terms, but two term we are divided into two terms in terms of Maclaurin theorem and Taylor theorem, and second is indeterminate form. So we define in terms of Maclaurin theorem. Then next, in that Maclaurin theorem we see that a type of example. So type of example is direct method, standard series, differentiation and integration, inversion method, and substitution method. Then we see indeterminate form. Okay, write down the syllabus, unit number 3rd, unit number 2nd, in expansion of function. Write down the syllabus. This is the point. So what is this 3 mark and 5 marks? The 3 marks means the question will be asked. The question will be asked for your theory exam for 3 mark and 5 mark. Taylor series वरती एक क्वेश्चन असतो 3 मार्काला, आणि डिटरमिनंट फॉर्म वरती 2 क्वेश्चन असतो 3 आणि 3. असे मिळून किती झाले हे? 12 आणि 5 17. 17 मार्काचा थिअरी आणि 2 मार्काचा ऑनलाईन, असं मिळून 19 मार्काचा क्वेश्चन होता. जर फक्त ऑनलाईन झाला ते कदाचित 19 मार्काचं ऑनलाईन विचारू शकतात. डिपेंड ऑन युअर पॅटर्न. Okay, this is the syllabus. This is Maclaurin theorem. Okay. झाले का लिहून? तर झाले का लिहून? अरे लिहून झाले का रे मित्रांनो?
नाही थांब.
ओके, लिहा मग पटकन. Just wait. There is a problem in Zoom, so just wait. Actually, not problem in Zoom, actually problem in network. Okay, let us see. So all of you see the screen? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All of you see
Yes,
the
yes,
screen?
Sir, not
Yes,
yet.
sir.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
It's
Sir.
visible now.
Okay, not yet. Now?
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so just see. झालं सगळ्यांचं लिहून हे? We go to the next page.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we start with directly. We start with directly our first theorem, that is a Maclaurin series or Maclaurin theorem. So write on that first, Maclaurin series or theorem. The statement assuming that y is equal to f of x can be expressed as the ascending power of x and is given by ascending power of x and is given by y of x equal to y of 0 plus y dash of 0 times x plus x square by 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus y cube of 0 x cube by 3 factorial plus so on y raised to n of 0 into x raised to n upon n factorial. Okay, so this series is called as double series is called as Maclaurin series. Double series is called as Maclaurin series, or we say that this is also called as Maclaurin's theorem. Okay, Maclaurin series or Maclaurin theorem. Do we see the standard expansion and standard result of this?
Hour, this 1 hour, and this 7, that becomes 8. So what we have been allowed to delete a syllabus of 8 hours. Okay, so actually if you see our syllabus, it is of 45 hours. Okay, 42 to 45 hours. So we will be allowed. Allow me to delete 1 unit, that is vector differentiation. Full 1 unit, it will be having assigned hour 7 and 1 bit, that is 5.4 bit, that is Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. So that is having a 1 hour assigned. Okay, so just give me your feedbacks and your suggestions and your view regarding this.
have written as this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let we see the that example on this Maclaurin series. सगळ्यांना झालंय की लिहून Maclaurin series?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we see that theorem. Expansion of standard function. Expansion of standard function. First of all, we see the expansion of standard function is first is e raised to x. F of x equal to e raised to x. Okay. So what is our Maclaurin series? What is the Maclaurin series? Yes. Y is equal to f of x is equal to y of 0 plus x times y dash of 0 plus x raised to n upon n factorial y raised to n of 0. Okay. So what do you need? Y of 0, y dash of 0. Just a bit. Just a bit. Huh? Just a bit. Oh, okay. Sorry for disturbance. Sorry. एक मीटिंग चालू होती युनिव्हर्सिटी मध्ये त्याच्यामुळे मी ती अटेंड करत होतो. सॉरी. सो वी जस्ट go to the our lecture. So f of x is equal to e raised to x. Y is equal to f of x. What do we calculate? We need y0. So this function is what this function is. This function we note as y. This function is y. So what do you need? We just calculate y. F of x. Y equal to f of x, that is e raised to 0. We just put that f of 0, that is y of 0, y at 0. That meaning is y at 0. What is y at 0? What is y at 0? What is y at 0?
1.
E raised to 0, that is 1. Now next, yes, we know that y is equal to e raised to x. So second we calculate y dash. So what is y dash? E raised to x. What is y double dash? E raised to
E
x.
raised to x.
For any derivative, we got that e raised to x. So we just got that. Just we got that. Just we got. What is the answer? Yes. Y of 0 we got 1. Y dash of 0 we got 1. Y double dash of 0 we got 1. Okay. So we just put in that equation, we got the Maclaurin series. By Maclaurin series, what do you get? Y is equal to f of x is equal to e raised to x is equal to, we just put the value y of 0. What is y of 0? What is y of 0?
1.
1 plus y dash of 0 is also 1 plus y double dash of 0
1
x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus what is the next term? What is the next term?
Plus on plus x raised to
n by n
X raised to पुढची term सांगा मला x raised to
4 by 4
4 by 4 factorial plus so on plus last term is x raised to n by n factorial. Clear? So this is the expansion of Maclaurin series f of x is equal to this one. Everyone clear this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this way, we will find the expansion of e raised to minus x, a raised to minus x. In this way, we find the expansion of e raised to minus x, a raised to minus x, sorry, a raised to x, sin x, cos x, tan x, log x, and so and so. Okay? काढू शकतात? ते काढू शकतात का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just write down. Okay, so this is the expansion of first e raised to x. Now tell me, second expansion, y equal to e raised to minus x. काय असेल रे? e raised to minus x काय असेल? एकच्या ठिकाणी फक्त काय रिप्लेस करा ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये?
-1
Minus x put करा. So what do you get the expansion? What is this formula becomes? Yes,
1 minus x.
1 minus x.
x
X square by 2 factorial.
plus x square by 2 factorial.
Alternate plus minus.
Alternating plus minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus so on. Last term is minus 1 raised to n x raised to n by n factorial. Clear? Clear? X raised to n by n factorial. We're starting with n is from 0. We're starting n is from 0 to infinity. Okay, so this is second result. So expansion of standard function. In this way, you find the expansion of standard function. सगळ्यांनी एकदा अनम्यूट करून परत म्यूट व्हा बरं. माझा माझा फुल आहे, तुमचा आवाज पहा. म्यूट केलं चालेल आता.
Okay, sir.
ओके, झालं सगळ्यांचं? Okay, so we move toward the next part. Just write down. In this way, similarly, we calculate. सगळ्यांचं झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, we find the first expansion of first e raised to x. Second, Atharvaji. Second, we find the expansion of e raised to minus x, 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on plus minus 1 raised to n, x raised to n by n factorial. Third, a raised to x, write down third, a raised to x, instead of e, we have put that a, that is log x. We put that, there is log a, yeah? Instead of x, we put the log a. Okay, so just write down third. Fourth, sin x. Fourth, sin x. Fifth, cos x. Fifth, cos x. So write down one by one. झालं सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir. No, sir. थांबा.
ओके ओके
नाही.
ओके ओके, थांबले थांबले, कुठं जात नाही, थांब पटकन जा. झालंय का?
झालं, sir.
Okay, so we go to the next page. Right on the next. It's this one is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sin hyperbolic x, cos hyperbolic x, then tan x, tan hyperbolic x. पहा साइन हायपरबोलिक एक्स आणि कॉस हायपरबोलिक एक्स लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी खूप सिंपल आहे. इकडे जे आलेत कॉस मध्ये काय आलतं अल्टरनेटिंग प्लस मायनस ना, तर हायपरबोलिक मध्ये काय येणार आहे ऑल आर प्लस, ऑल आर प्लस. टॅन एक्स मध्ये हा प्रथमेश सुरू से उगले काय, प्रथमेश सुरू से हेलो प्रथमेश, प्रथमेश सुरू से उगले का, हेलो प्रथमेश, आर यू देयर प्रथमेश, हेलो माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3 1 2 3. हेलो प्रथमेश, नाही वाटतं. ओके पहा टॅन एक्स मध्ये काय दिलं त्यांनी, टॅन एक्स मध्ये एक्स प्लस एक्स क्यूब बाय 3. हा सॉरी इथे बाय 3 हियर इज एक्स क्यूब बाय 3 2 by 15 x raised to 15 2 by 15 x raised to 15. Okay. संपली का मीटिंग, लाग्रेंज.
नेक्स्ट टर्म हॅलो सर,
हा
नेक्स्ट
बोला
टर्म
बोला.
काय असणार सर? tan x मध्ये 3x raised to 7 डिवायडेड बाय
So x raised to 7 divided by 215 सांगतो तुम्हाला ते ऍट द टाइम ऑफ
Okay.
tan x चालते ना. हॅलो
ओके सर.
काय झालं, हा we go to the next page. बास करतो लिखतो होतो. We go to the next page.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right on the next page. Okay, इथे वाटतं 10th होतं ना. This is 11. This is 11. This is a 12. This is a 13. And this is a 14. Okay, 14 result. This is the 1 plus x raised to minus 1. As म्हणजे काय 1 upon 1 plus x. And here provided mod x is
प्रिवाइस
आणला.
स्लाइड दाखव sir. Hello, sir. Previous slide.
less than 1. बोला बोला काय आणले,
प्रिवाइस स्लाइड सर.
हा
प्रिवाइस स्लाइड दाखव एक मिनिट.
Previous slide. Okay.
Previous.
Previous slide. Okay. दिसलंय का?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो पुढच्या स्लाइडला. आता ह्या ठिकाणी m इक्वल टू काय टाकलाय? या ठिकाणी m इक्वल टू काय टाकलाय? m इक्वल टू काय टाकलाय पहा. इथे m
Minus
इक्वल
1.
टू -1 टाकला पहा आणि m इक्वल टू 1 टाकला तर दोन इक्वेशन तयार होतील. m इक्वल टू -1 टाकला सो 1 - x -1 -2 minus plus 2 divided by 2 get cancelled. Okay, in this way you find the next expression expansion. झालं का सगळ्यांचं लिहून?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we go to the next page. Okay, write on this.
So for 12, there should be 1 minus x raised to 1, no?
Where?
12th result.
Where is the right one? We just replace here in 13. 13 एक च्या ठिकाणी काय रिप्लेस करा? एक च्या ठिकाणी काय टाका? -x टाका. So x equal -x square is plus. Already there is minus sign. -x cube is -x cube. -x raised to 4, -x raised to 4, -x raised to 5 is -x raised to 5. Continue in this way. Yes?
Yes,
Clear,
sir, yes.
Atharva?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So this 14 result is very important. Very important. Huh? त्याला म्हणा इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट घेतलंय काहीतरी कर म्हणा. ओके. सो झालंय का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So today we stop here because